Buying the biggest brush set usually creates more sink clutter, not less. The mistake is choosing tool count before cleaning method and storage space. Choose bristles, sponge, or silicone before extras. For bottle brush with built-in nipple detail cleaner. Bottle brush with nipple cleaner by Countertop. I'd choose this for regular bottle washing when you want one flexible wand handling most of the routine. Its handle measures a little over 1 foot, so reaching into taller bottles shouldn't require awkward wrist angles. The detail brush stores inside the handle, while the base catches drips beside the sink. That compact organization is the real appeal. But the soft bristles can flatten with repeated use, creating more replacement burden than sturdier formats. Skip it if you prefer sponge or silicone contact surfaces. I'd also pass for travel, where that long handle becomes unnecessary bulk. For Sponge Top Bottle Brush Multipack. Baby Bottle Brush with Sponge 3-Pack by Dr. Brown's. If you like a soft, sudsy cleaning feel, I'd pick this format over conventional bristles. The set includes 3 brushes, which keeps replacements ready without another shopping trip. Each suction base can hold a brush upright or attach for hanging, so storage adapts around your sink. But sponge heads may wear faster than bristles, making that backup supply more practical than generous. The ridged small end scrapes nipple interiors, yet it isn't a separate detail brush. Skip this set if narrow components dominate your routine or you want fewer replacements over time. For Silicone Bottle Brush for easy clean surfaces. Silicone Bottle Brush by Cacti. This is the option I'd choose when cleaning the brush itself feels like the annoying part. Soft silicone nubs offer a non-abrasive surface for bottles and food-containing drinkware, without the dense structure of conventional bristles. That format is straightforward to clean and sanitize after messy cups. However, silicone creates less visible soap lather than sponge or bristle heads, which may feel unfamiliar during washing. It also won't stand independently, so you'll need a hook or separate container. Skip it if you want upright countertop storage or prefer plenty of suds as your cleaning cue. For Countertop Bottle and Detail Brush Set. Cacti Bottle Cleaning Brush Set by Boone. I'd choose this for a busy sink handling bottles, nipples, straws, and threaded cup pieces every day. One bottle brush covers the main container, while 3 detail brushes give smaller components their own tools. Everything stores together in a drainage pot, so you aren't hunting through drawers mid-wash. The trade-off is countertop commitment. That pot occupies more space than a hanging brush, and some families won't use every included tool. Skip it if your feeding setup has simple bottles with few removable parts. For that routine, this set is easy to overbuy. For Detail Brush Accessory Set for vents, valves, straws, and threading. Details Bottle and Cup Cleaning 4-Piece Set by Munchkin. This is a companion accessory, not one of the main bottle brushes. I'd add it for an owner whose bottles, cups, or pump parts contain narrow channels a large brush can't enter. Its 4-piece format targets vents, valves, straws, and threaded cup components. But you'll still need a full-size bottle brush for bottle interiors, so this adds tools rather than replacing anything. Different pieces may wear at different rates, while replacement means buying the complete set. Skip it if your current brush already reaches every removable component. Choose Countertop for an organized everyday wand, Dr. Brown's for sponge lather, or Cacti for silicone. Choose Boone for a complete countertop station. Add Munchkin only for narrow components. Check your bottle depth, smallest removable part, preferred cleaning surface, and available storage. Then decide whether replacements or unused tools will create more friction. I'd default to Countertop for a simple daily routine. Switch to Boon for many small parts, or Haka if silicone matters most. Links are in the description.